All right, one of the things that we've faced and actually have discussed and been asked about is dealing with spin. In particular, when a return of serve comes with a lot of slice and it really doesn't get above your knee. If it's down low, slicing, staying low, how do you deal with it, okay? The common error that people make on that is to hit their normal shot, whether it's a drive or a drop, not realizing that the ball is gonna dip down after you've hit it. It doesn't go as high when you hit a slice. It naturally has a propensity to go down. So oftentimes, those balls end up right in the net. So what we wanna do, if we see a ball with a backspin hit to us, a slice, whether it's a backhand or forehand, that's staying low, or we've had trouble with it before, is first of all, we wanna think about returning spin with spin. So we wanna actually try to get under it and hit an underspin shot, again, with your favorite stroke, whether that's a forehand or backhand, and really getting down low and lifting it up. You gotta get below the ball, hit the bottom of it, watch as it spins, and hit up on it like crazy.
I think it's really important not to get lazy on this shot, because a lot of us, you know, if the ball's bouncing up here, maybe we're standing up really tall, we don't really have to bend our knees to get that ball up and over the net on our opponent's side. But when it comes with a lot of backspin, we really can't get lazy and get caught. So we gotta really bend those knees and lift up on the ball so that that ball goes up and over. A lot of times I see the ball going in the net too, because we just aren't getting quite under the ball or anticipating how much higher we need to hit that ball over the net, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, one of my favorite memories ever in pickleball was the 2018 Bend Regional 19+ gold medal match. Daniel and I were playing Wes and Brian in the final, and Wes, as many of you know, has one of the meanest, wickedest spin returns in the game. That thing does not get above your ankle hardly ever. And so I was struggling with it. We lost the gold medal match, got to play him again in the 15 tiebreaker, and I implemented a new strategy for it, and that was the word yours. So Daniel was getting lower, had a little lower center of gravity, he was getting under it and digging it out when I wasn't comfortable about it. So remember, you can talk to your partner and communicate, and whoever can get lower or handles that better, if you're struggling, let your partner have it. That actually earned us a gold medal that day. Like I said, one of the best things I've ever done in pickleball and funnest memories. But basically, know your limitations, really try to get under that ball and dig it out.
I think one last thing too is to just give yourself a little bit more margin for error the more backspin there is on that return.
Right.
So
aim higher.
Aim a little bit higher, even if you hit it, you know, pretty high sometimes and they get to attack that ball, at least you're making them play, right? You're not taking yourself out of the point, you're forcing them to play, putting a little bit of pressure. Maybe you get an easier ball next time that you can then drop shot and move forward, right? It doesn't always have to be in one time, and when you try to hit the perfect shot, you put a lot of pressure on yourself. Try to put that pressure on your opponents by at least making them play and not being the one to make the mistake.
Right. So if this has been helpful, we have our comprehensive masterclass video series. It's got 66 videos you can watch anytime in the comfort of your own home and any device.
Many times as you want.
Many times as you want. We've sold thousands of them, people raving about them. All you have to do to have access to this comprehensive, strategic, systematic video series is click on or smash that button below, and you are on the inside with us. So we'll
see you there.
See you on the inside.